Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Venmo to pay at a store. So let's take as an example, I don't know which store. Let's take as an example Shein store. So I can just go here and type Shein because I know Shein like provides Venmo or like let me just look. So where is Venmo accepted as payments as an example? So let's just see stores that you can use Venmo as payments. Just look for that to show you exactly how to do it. So basically, like you can use it in a lot of stuff. So Hulu, Amazon, a lot of stuff. So as I said, I know that Shein accepts that. So let's just go through Shein and I'm going to look for a specific product as an example and coming back to you. So as example, let's say I want to buy this t-shirt. Of course, I want to use my Venmo. So I'll have to choose the size, click on add to cart, view cards in here, and then click on checkouts. As you can see before, even click on checkout, you'll find that we accept in Venmo here. Click on checkout, and I'll choose Venmo. And as you can see, once I choose Venmo, I'll find Venmo here. Once I click on it, they will take me here to pay with Venmo. So how can I pay with Venmo right now? So as example, how to pay with Venmo. Since I cannot access the app at the moment, I'll just try to show you. So all you need to do is scan this QR code. Okay, this is not what I wanted. So, okay, the same, it's not this. But anyway, how to basically pay with Venmo. All you need to do is scan this QR code with Venmo. And how can you scan it with Venmo? Simply, if you go to the Me tab at the bottom right here, you will find, as example, scan or show the QR code. And if you click on it as example, you will find it even in the home tab. You don't even have to click on me. But if you want to click on me as example, you will be able to click on a small icon like a QR code there and you can scan it. But as you can see in the home screen, you'll find a scan or show QR code. Click on this scan and simply scan this QR code right here. They'll show you how much you want to pay, accept that payment, and you should be to go to pay with it. So that's how you pay with Venmo. And yeah, you can do it in all other stores that accepts Venmo as well. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.